Hi, it's Allie, and this is what's on my mind this week. I was thinking about Sunday's readings when Jesus prayed that we would all be one. And it got me thinking, these days, nobody wants to be just one part of a big lump, okay? Everyone wants to be an individual. And everybody keeps dividing their identity by more and more little markers, by race and gender, ethnic origin, age. All of these markers, everybody's a unique individual because they are X, Y, and Z. Just like all the other individuals that are X, Y, and Z, but that's another problem. But it got me thinking. I go to church on Sunday or Saturday night, and I see all kinds of people I know, and I see all kinds of people I consider friends there at the church, that I am friends with at church. And these people are not all like me. Okay, they're not all the same race, the same ethnic origin, the same age, the same gender. They're friends from all over at church. It just got me thinking, the one thing that can probably save us from all of this disunity and all of the aggravation that people keep putting themselves through lately is greater faith. And we should really pray that people find that faith in Christ, because when we follow Jesus, that's more important than all the external things. And obviously, all of this makes me who I am, makes you who you are. But what binds us together is our faith in Jesus. So let's all pray that more people, and especially more young people, come to find faith in Christ, and that we may all be one as he prayed. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.